मार्केट में सबको पैसा कमाना है, लेकिन उसके लिए सीखेंगे कहाँ से? क्या आपको लगता है कि मार्केट में यू कैन जस्ट कम इन एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग मनी? व्हाट डू यू फील? डू यू फील जस्ट आई शुड जस्ट कम इनटू द मार्केट एंड स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग एंड देन मेक मनी? Or you feel that you should learn something? So what do you guys feel? Yes, we all want to learn about the markets, ऐसे लगता है, but आप लोग जाते हो? Do you all actually go and try to participate by making some effort to learn? Or you feel that yes, I should just try and understand, take some tips, like they say, tips ले लो कहीं से और मार्केट से पैसा बना लो. Hi everyone. So what is it that is intriguing you, and how do you think can you learn from the market? Yes, Akshay, that is your take. You feel that you have to learn from somebody having experience in the market. Yes. What about the others? You see so many videos on YouTube. Even I contribute on YouTube. So what do you think? From where can you learn? How can you learn? And whether whatever you learn, are you able to implement it, right? Those are the things. Yes. Hello Aditya. So when we are in beginning our journey to learn, we should always understand that there are many ways to learn. But when you're going to go forward and learn, you should first try and understand whether whatever you're learning can be actually applied, right? And whether the medium through which you're learning, now today in this COVID times, online learning has become so big. Many people are investing their time, money and effort in learning from online. So the whole objective of learning is that I want to learn something and I want to implement it. So there are always two sides. No, learning is not one-sided. Learning is two-sided. One is the concept part, other is the implementation part. So always when you are going forward and trying to learn something, be it in any space, be it an offline learning, online learning, you should first see the profile of the people who are conducting the program, or the profile of the person who is sharing with you, or maybe at least you, even if you don't know the profile, once you start listening to him, like for example YouTube, one of the questions which I have asked is YouTube. So YouTube, there are unlimited topics and unlimited people who are willing now to come on the channel and share their knowledge, right? Everyone is in the process of sharing their knowledge. And what are they trying to do? They are trying to get people to attend their workshop, learn from them, etc., etc., right? So it is a give and take. Everything in life is give and take. So YouTube also is a medium where people are sharing something with you in the hope that you will come forward and patronize their services, patronize their training, or be it in any way. So YouTube, if I were to put it, is a medium where people are marketing themselves. Okay, so people will definitely share their knowledge, but the value portion in a YouTube is very limited. Why is that? Because you will get knowledge, but the most important part of the knowledge taker, for very important aspect for the knowledge taker, is how his queries will be resolved. So that is an important element which is always missing from YouTube. आप जितना चाहिए आप देख लीजिए वीडियो, लेकिन आपको जब भी कोई सवाल आएगा आपको पूछना है YouTube में, you don't know the reliability of the answer, you don't know what is the kind of accountability, and that's why it becomes very important. Reading books of course is very very critical. तो जो भी YouTube में आते हैं और जो भी नॉलेज देने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो सब लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मैं भी यहाँ पर एक कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. And in this market की बातें, I am interacting with people like you so that I'll be able to share my view. अगर आपको कोई सवाल है, you can ask here, and that's way we will be able to have an engagement and we will be able to build a relationship. That's what it is. So we have got online presence, we have got offline presence, but considering today's times, online presence has become very important, and that's why we are also continuously trying to come out with various kinds of innovative engagements like this. Every day at 4 o'clock I am sharing a general question relating to the market, relating to the way you are approaching the market, because I know that everyone needs some outlet where they can ask somebody, they can get some opinion, so that they can also start thinking better. So I am here every day at 4. I am sharing with you different types of questions which can help you think better. You can think about it. You can see my other videos too, so that you also get some idea on how to analyze the markets. Like for an example, I have been discussing about the markets, the way it has been, and the kind of levels which I had shared. If you had watched my YouTube video, I had said that yes, these are levels where markets could face some resistance, and we had indicated that yes, in Bank Nifty it could be coming down. So all these things I am sharing from my knowledge. Yes, experience also adds to your learning, but learning combined with experience, combined with practical guidance, that's what a professional does. So there are many professional trainers out there. We have been there in the market for more than 45 years, and I am fortunate to be trained by Dr. Narayan, who is my uncle. He has been able to guide me constantly and show me various ways in looking at the market. And I am on the channel, I am on the YouTube, I am doing online workshops. So in every sphere, I try and show people how you can use your learning, how you can use the concepts, and how you can implement it, and at the end of your journey, okay, your learning is with a purpose. आप स्कूल तक पढ़ते थे, दैट इज फॉर गेटिंग अ जॉब और गेटिंग फॉर एंट्री, ऑल दोस थिंग्स, बट आफ्टर अ पॉइंट इन द मार्केट your learning has got only one objective, which is that you got to make money. So that's why my question was very specific. It was, how can you learn about stock market? And everyone wants to learn about stock market because they want to make money, right? You want to make money. So if you want to make money, then the first thing you need to do is learn your basics well. हम सबको पता है कि जब हम कॉलेज में थे या स्कूल में थे, what used to defeat us, the proper or the not clear understanding of the basics will lead you to getting less marks in the exam. मार्केट में हर दिन एग्जाम है. अगर आप इन्वेस्टर है तो आपको हर हफ्ता एग्जाम है. अगर आप लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर है तो फिर थोड़े दिन के लिए तो लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर की पोटली खुलने वाली है. So who are active right now? The active investors and the active traders. So if your basics are not clear, so be rest assured that you will always lose money. तो अगर आपको बेसिक्स ठीक कराना हो तो आपको अलग अलग टाइप के अप्रोचेस अडॉप्ट करने पड़ेंगे. इसमें अक्षय, यू हैव अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन हियर. सो द अप्रोच विच आई अडॉप्ट इज अ मीन रिवर्शनरी अप्रोच. मीन रिवर्शनरी अप्रोच टॉक्स अबाउट हाउ टू हैंडल द मार्केट वोलाटिलिटी. जो मार्केट की वोलाटिलिटी है वो आप समझ सकते हैं, वो मार्केट की वोलाटिलिटी समझ के फिर आप काम कर सकते हैं. तो दैट्स वेयर मीन रिवर्शनरी अप्रोच लाइक पिवट्स, बॉलिंगर बैंड, मूविंग एवरेजेस, ये सारे जो मेथड्स हैं वो आपको काम में आएंगे. हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल का नाम है चार्ट एडवाइस. आप चार्ट एडवाइस का यूट्यूब चैनल में देख सकते हैं. काफ़ी सारा वीडियोस बनाए हैं हमने. उधर हमारे फाउंडर डॉक्टर नारायण के भी वीडियोस हैं. तो आप सब लोग मार्केट की जानकारी बढ़ाइए. मार्केट में इफ यू आर जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ बाइंग एंड सेलिंग, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. लीनियर regression to an extent, but if you use pivot, Prashant, you will be able to understand the concept more clearly. Pivot is very easy to apply, and pivot is also very effective. So you could also attend few of our webinars also. You will get to know about pivot methodologies. So pivot एक ऐसा concept है जो मार्केट के बारे में आपको बताता है पहले दिन ही. आज के दिन आप रेडी हो सकते हो कल के लिए पिवट के द्वारा, और पिवट से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कल मार्केट कहाँ खुलना चाहिए. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ पिवट. पिवट टेल्स यू हाउ यू कैन अप्लाई द मार्केट when and where the market should open. So if you use pivot, very good. So you are few of the people who are actually using pivot, because many people they don't use pivot. जैसे कि हर एक चीज जो हम सीखते हैं, हर एक चीज जो हम सीखते हैं, we use it for some time and then we give up on it. So learning is something like that. So stock market में everyone tries to learn new things. Like for example, Aditya are asking me which indicator works the best. So there is no specific indicator which works the best. Every indicator हैज़ अ डिफरेंट पर्पस. सबका एक एक पर्पस है. तो अगर आप RSI देखेंगे तो RSI में से सबसे बढ़िया आपको डाइवर्जेंस मिलेगा. MACD देखेंगे, MACD से आपको ट्रेंड डायरेक्शन मिलेगा. अगर आप ADX DMI देखेंगे वहाँ पे आपको ट्रेंड स्ट्रेंथ मिलेगा. तो हर एक इंडिकेटर का एक USP है. तो वो जो USP के हिसाब से आपको सेलेक्ट करना है. आप जितना ज़्यादा चीज़ आप यूज़ करेंगे, you will have more difficulty. So you will have to mix and match. You will have to use appropriate amounts of tools, because if you start using every tool in technical analysis, you will never take a trade. So the best way to go about your market participation is to understand how the whole market condition is flowing, and based on that you can select the suitable tools. Yes, there are many kinds of pivot. Pivot is, of course, the pivot formula is common, but how the pivot levels are calculated, that keeps on differing. So you got to use. So personally, I like Fibonacci pivots quite a lot. Fibonacci pivots work quite well. So guys, what do you all feel about the market? What kind of tools are you using? And what kind of tools which you would like to use? What tools are you learning now? You can share with me on the chat. Because markets have got various ways to learn about the whole functioning. You can either learn, yes, Fibonacci pivot on a 15-minute time frame. It's a good way to practice. Okay, great. You learned about RSI divergence. Yes, RSI divergence is very powerful. There was divergence on Nifty too on the daily charts. Yes, pivot points are very effective. They give a lot of guidance on what needs to happen. So you use Fibonacci, Prashant. That's good. Fibonacci is very powerful. And if you see Fibonacci on Bank Nifty was trading at the downward retracement of Fibonacci at 38.2. Okay, so you're using 8, 13 and 21 MA. Nice. Good. So all of us, there is no perfect way to trade the market. There is no perfect tool. Every tool has got its own benefits. Every tool has got its own negative, you can say. But overall, you need to understand that one tool on one time frame will only give you a certain part of the move. So if you want to do a more detailed activity, then you got to do more analysis. So once you are able to do your analysis better, you will be able to get more benefit from the market. So like the market goes, market keeps on moving up and down. It keeps on giving us opportunity. And if you use the right set of tools, you will be able to participate and ensure that you are able to make consistent return. So that's why I asked, how will you learn and from where will you learn about the stock market? So it's nice. Some people mentioned YouTube. Some people did mention getting trained by professionals. Yes, those are all the ways in which you can get trained. Because getting trained is one part. Going forward and implementing it, that requires constant practice. So that's why I always say a very important equation: process plus practice is equal to profits. So if you continuously practice whatever is your process, you will get profits. It's very difficult to understand this concept unless and until you go through it. So first you got to fix the process, right? So go forward, take an effort to learn, try and understand what the market is trying to tell you, try and understand what the tools are, try and understand how it functions so that you are able to understand the process better. So for chart pattern, you can take a look at Thomas Bulkowski, Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. That book is quite good. You can take a look at that. It has got a lot of interesting patterns. He has got a website also by thepatternSite.com. So you will get a lot of interesting chart patterns there. You can try and find out various kinds of patterns out there. So friends, any question you have, or I come to an end of today's session. It was nice interacting with you all. I will continue to come down every day at the same time, discuss with everyone, share my thoughts, would also invite you all to share your thoughts too, and that way we can keep this engagement going. The whole aim is to share with you whatever I know and also get to know from you all also what you all are doing, what are you doing exactly in terms of market participation. For those who are interested to learn more, if you are a beginner out there, you could join my program which is there at the end of this month. It's beginning on July 25th, where I'll be covering, it's a 1 month program where I'll be covering on market analysis. I'll be showing you how to use various kinds of technical analysis concepts. Yes, buy on rumors, sell on news. That's the cliche which goes. But then if you are enabled with technical analysis, you can definitely do everything possible. So I was referring to about the program. The program is beginning on July 25th. It's a 1 month long program where I'll be covering 4 sessions and I'll be teaching you on technical analysis. I'll be doing day trading strategies. I'll be doing multi-day strategies. I'll be showing you how to do midweek analysis, like today is mid of week, how to do a midweek analysis. Then I'll be showing you how to do end of the week analysis. Then I'll be showing you, there will be a lot of strategy sessions on webinars, etc. So all those things are there. If you'd like to know more about them, you could get in touch with me and message me personally on my Instagram handle, and I will be happy to share with you those details. Otherwise, we'll continue to chat here and we'll interact with you and get to know more. And when you feel that yes, I got to learn more, I got to invest my time with a professional like me, do join my program. You will have a fantastic time. You'll learn lots of value and you'll be getting lot of encouragement and also lot of support to go forward and achieve your dream of consistent profits. Okay friends, I'm ending the chat now. Thank you for being part of the Market Ki Baatein. It means a lot to me. Do share our videos with amongst your group, and do like, subscribe and comment to our channels as well. And also on the Instagram handle, if your comments are available, it will be appreciated. Thank you so much.